Happy holidays everyone, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl and the hostess of the 12 J's of Christmas. I'm your girl, J Ross. That was a weird intro, but we're gonna roll with it or whatever. So as you guys can tell by the title down below, I wasted no time with getting to this video. We are going to be visiting the Juvia's Place Olori 2 palette because, I mean, do you see the color scheme of it? Do you see the color scheme? So without further delay, and because I'm super excited to do this palette, let's go ahead and jump into it. For those of you who are watching this video, there is a special treat for you guys, as you guys will have a chance to win the Olori palette. Now, mind you, this giveaway is going to end up on Instagram, but because you are watching, if you comment down your Instagram name below, you will also get a chance to win an extra 2 items of your choice from Juvia's Place that I will purchase and add to the giveaway bundle, which the whole picture will be on my Instagram, so go ahead and check that out there for sure. So as I mentioned, you will have a chance to, because you are watching this video right here, you will have a chance to add on 2 items of your choice, any 2 items of your choice from Juvia's Place, as long as they are sold in stores. If they are not sold in stores, then it usually will take longer, and that's up to you if you guys want to wait longer for that. And it's 2 items, not 2 bundles, just 2 items, y'all. Be nice, y'all. I'm doing a giveaway. Be nice. Just do 2 items. Don't try to add on 2 bundles of stuff. Let's be nice. So yeah, I just wanted to start off the bat with straight up giveaway details because you guys my real ones for watching and have been watching these 12 J's of Christmas. So thank you guys so much for making it to day 10 with me. And seriously, let's go ahead and get into this palette. So this palette was already going to be reviewed by me because first of all, it's blue, but this was a request that I do a royal blue and gold look by one of my followers on Instagram. So I thought I might as well go ahead and use this beautiful royal blue palette and add a little bit of gold with the gold liner. You guys know I love these liners. These are the liquid glitter eyeshadows from e.l.f. and this is in the shade 24K, which I have used before. So for those of you who have not seen my haul video when I hauled this is what—
First of all, wait. Why have you not watched my haul video? I mean, it was a part of the 12 Days of Christmas, so what? Why have you? Rude. And there was a giveaway with that video as well, I think. So you might as well go ahead and check that out. And while you're at it, subscribe, follow me on Instagram, and leave a comment down below just to say, hey, what's up, new to the fam or something.
This is the palette. Do you see the blue? Do you see it? This is the palette. It comes with, I just noticed it only comes with 1 matte shade. And the rest of them are shimmer shades. None of them are pressed glitter. No, from first tap and first feel, none of them are pressed glitters. I know I just did that a very weird way of testing if they are pressed glitters, but let your girl be great, okay? There is only 1 matte, and that is this shade right here. Only the 1 matte. We're gonna talk about that later. I just wanna go ahead and use this palette, so I'm going to create a look. All right, everybody, this is the overall final and finished look. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. As far as my thoughts, my personal thoughts is Olori, one of those. As far as my thoughts on this palette, I'm actually not really 100% sold on this. I mean, I'm sold on this look though, because baby, do you see the face? Do you see it? Do you see? Do you see it? Okay, let me not act up. Am I still going to give this away? Yes, of course. But am I 100% pleased with it? Not really.
Hey, hold up.
Hold up before you click out this video, delete me, unsubscribe, all that stuff. Hold up. The reason why I'm not really happy is the fact that there's, first of all, only one blue matte shade. Juvia's. Come on now. You could have gave us something else. You really could have gave us something else. Even though the more you blend this shade out and pack it on, it does get deeper. Hence why you guys kept seeing me pack it on in the eye look tutorial. Like, you guys just kept seeing me lay it on, because the more you lay it on, the darker it gets. So it does start off with that, like that actual blue when you start, and then the more you blend it out and pack it on, it gets darker. So that's okay. But if they would have just given us a blue and then another darker, deeper blue to kind of like her headpiece, like if they would have gave us that color blue as another matte as well, I'd have been fine with that. All the other palettes, all the other 6-pan palettes that I know of, that I can think of, they all have at least 2 mattes. So I was shocked that they only gave us 1 matte in this. I guess they were probably saying, well, we gave them blues in the Wahala 2 palette as well as in the Fumi X Juvia's Place collab, but like not everybody has that collab, and not everybody has the Wahala 2 palette because it kept selling out every other day. Another thing, these two are so similar to me. On my eyes, it's not even funny. Like, it's really like, if I didn't put this one with this one, it literally looks like this matte shade, just more of a sheen. Like, this is not even like a real shimmer. It's like a satin matte. So it gives like a sheen to it, but not like a reflection to it, if that makes sense. I know y'all seen what I'm talking about. Stop judging me. Let me see what the other 2 shades do. Well, that one's a little bit more grittier. So whoa. That's pretty. Okay, that's a pretty shade. And then let's see what you do. That's pretty as well. So we have like 2 dual chrome icy shades right there with those 2 shimmers that I did not use. Once again, I wish there was another matte in here. I wish there really was. I need to get these off my hands before it ends up all over the place. That's just my personal thoughts. I'm not saying this is the worst palette they've done. I'm not saying that. I wasn't happy with the quads, and you guys seem to think that the look I came out with was beautiful. Not hyping myself up on this one, but I'm just saying you guys must still think this look came out very well. And I do too. I really do like this look. But this palette wasn't everything that I wanted it to be, even though the other 2 shades did just shock me when I just swatched them. But I was still hoping for a little bit more. But like I said, it might be because there was a whole blue row in the Wahala 2 palette, which I do have. And then it might have been because of the shades that they were thinking of putting in here were too similar to the Fumi collab as well. So I don't really know. I don't know their story of why they decided to only put 1 matte in there, but that's neither here nor there.
Second of all, you know I'm vacillating here trying to...
Am I still going to showcase this palette? Of course I am, because it deserves to be in my collection, just like it deserves to be in you guys' collection, hence why it's in the giveaway. Once again, I am your girl, J Ross. Please like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Leave your thoughts down below about how you feel about this overall look. Thank you guys for supporting. As always, please come back for more of the 12 J's of Christmas. We have 2 more J's left. Instead of days, J's. Yeah, I'm just taking over the full name now. Like I always say, I hope you guys are staying safe, happy, healthy, and blessed. Please come back for more 12 J's of Christmas. I hope you guys will be enjoying your festive holiday season with your friends and your family. I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys in my